Can a simple pair of mustachios reveal a man's pride, ego, and society's obsession with appearances? In Mulk Raj Anand's story, they do. Let's explore how something so small uncovers human vanity and social pressures. A pair of mustachios is a humorous yet thought provoking story that revolves around a man's pride in his neatly groomed mustachios. These mustaches are not just facial hair, they symbolize his dignity, social standing, and personal identity. Anand uses this small detail to reveal the fragile nature of ego and the human tendency to measure worth through outward appearances. The story begins with the protagonist carefully grooming and admiring his mustache. He takes pride in them because, for him, they are a mark of respectability and status. Anand vividly captures the lens people go to maintain appearances, showing how something seemingly trivial can hold immense personal importance. This sets the stage for exploring human vanity and societal expectations. Soon, an incident challenges his pride. Someone mocks or comments on his mustache, and the protagonist feels deeply insulted. This illustrates how fragile human ego can be and how society's judgments often dictate self esteem. Anand blends humor and irony to make us reflect on how trivial matters can affect human emotions and relationships. As the story progresses, the reactions of people around him add depth to the narrative. Some admire the mustache while others laugh or tease. These reactions reflect society's obsession with outward symbols of status and the superficial ways people judge one another. Anand critiques social norms and exposes the absurdity of valuing appearances over true character. The protagonist's attachment to his mustache shows a universal human tendency to link self worth to social approval. His pride makes him vulnerable to ridicule, yet it also highlights a common desire to be recognized and respected. Anand's subtle humor and vivid descriptions make these themes engaging and thought provoking. By the end, the story delivers a timeless message. Society often overvalues appearances and personal pride, though natural can lead to unnecessary humiliation. The mustache, though seemingly insignificant, becomes a lens through which we understand ego, vanity, and social pressures. Anand's narrative encourages readers to look beyond superficial symbols and appreciate deeper qualities in themselves and others. A pair of mustachios teaches us that trivial things can carry profound meaning in society. It reminds us to question our attachment to appearances and understand the subtleness of human pride and social validation. Anand's story is both humorous and insightful, offering lessons about ego, respect, and the human condition. If you enjoyed this story analysis, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which small things in life you think reveal human pride or social perception. Let's start a discussion in the comment below.